some people will always tell you no, because why?
Facts.
They'll always say, "I'll take care of it," which is cool.
For sure.
But then what happens if an incident, someone bumps into you, and now your phone falls face down on his face? Crack. So now to get that screen replaced, you got to come out with what, $600 to get it replaced, $400 to get it replaced.
Facts.
But that protection, that little $15, would have covered it.
Money aspect, I see. Uh, shit gonna happen.
Exactly.
Shit gonna happen.
Shit gonna happen regardless, whether you
For
have it,
sure.
whether you don't. You can never so much prepare for every outcome. But it's still the point.
Mm-hmm.
If it's like, once again, second conversation, but if it's an opportunity to save you in the long end for something, especially if this is something that you want to do. Once again, you live off your phones. You
Mm-hmm.
work off your phones.